believe I found this at the Dollar Tree, or should I call it $1.25 tree. So I was in there recently looking for some new items. Was I recording? No, I didn't record at this Dollar Tree, but I do have a Dollar Tree aisle video I'll be posting for you guys soon. But I was in there looking for some specific items new that they came out with. This I have not seen on anyone's videos or anything as of yet. But I went around to the nail out, of course, to see what they had. And they had a bunch of these mini gel lamps. $1.25. I have never, ever seen anything like this for $1. Now, yes, it takes batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. But, I mean, they're still making it affordable for everybody to be at home and doing your own nails, doing your own manicure. You know, you can find gel polish on Amazon for really cheap. Get you a bunch of gel polishes and get you a little cheap lamp. You don't have to spend $20 on a lamp and up, you know. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but I will do a separate video testing it out with some gel polish and seeing, you know, if it cures, if it does its thing, basically. I wonder how long, if it's a 30-second and a 60-second or what. It says apply at least 2 coats of the color and cure for several minutes. Apply your top coat and cure for several minutes. So this is not a quickie one, I'm assuming. Let's open it up. I definitely would decorate this with some little bling. So this is how it looks, and it's just so you can compare how small. It's just like those little mini ones that you see. Batteries, it says open here, I think. I'm trying to... I don't want to use my nail to pop it open because I know I'm going to chip my polish. See if I can pop it open with my tweezers. What are these? I just don't understand how you open it. Oh, I get it. Okay. Duh. Okay. I was a little bit clueless there. Alright, so there it is open. And on and off switch. So you have to turn it on and off. It has 6 of the lights on it. And then I see it says open on either side with these little grooves. So let's see here. It says gently pull up. I'm doing more than gently. I'll say that. It's not budging. Oh my God. There we go. Come on. Come on. Keeps popping back closed. Oh my God. I might be playing this in real time for y'all, just so y'all can see how much trouble I'm having. Oh God. This is getting dangerous. I might have to have hubby. Hun, can you help me? Supposed to be able to open it on, see they're open here, you're supposed to be able to pull up, and it's not doing it. Oh my God, you may need some man hands. Jeez. Okay, that was hard. It was lifting up when I was doing this, but it was like, y'all see, if I left all that in there, you guys will see the difficulty I had. I just picked up a little regular schmegular pack of batteries while I was at the Dollar Tree because I only have AA energizers, so I didn't have any AAAs, so I just picked these up for now. If this is something I use, I'll rather have like Energizer or Duracell so they won't go out so quick. All right. Whoa. Ooh. Right. I almost don't want to put this back on. My gosh. All right. It goes right back on nice and easy. But it was a doozy to get off. Okay. Now, batteries are in it. That gives it a little weight. Let's turn it on. You guys can see. So it's on. I can feel some heat. I do feel the heat. So yeah, we're gonna test this out, y'all. So I think it may stay on until you turn it off. I wonder if it'll automatically turn off after so long. Yeah, it doesn't say if it does. I'm pretty sure since it has this on and off that you just have to turn it off when you're done. I do feel heat coming from these 6 little lights, so I don't know. We're gonna have to test it out and see. So if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing how well it works, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I'll know, and I will test it out for you. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the video when I do test this bad boy out. Most of this video was spent me opening it. It probably would be about a 5-minute video, 5 to 8 minutes, if 8, without me having all the trouble opening it. So it may be a short video. I don't know if I'm gonna keep all the time that I spent opening it, but I mean, $1, that's pretty cool. You just need to buy some batteries and the lamp. So $2.50 basically. It would be all together. So yes, you guys, go check out your local Dollar Tree and see if you guys can find this mini gel lamp. So I'm wondering if they're going to be putting gel polish in now since they have the mini gel lamp. That would be awesome. If you guys do come across something like that, let me know in the comments so I can keep an eye out. If I do go back to the store and they have more of these, I may pick up one and do a giveaway. If any of you guys are interested, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. That's it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me opening my little mini gel lamp from Dollar Tree. I'll see you guys in the next video.